or you could like do this or that, or this. You go down is backwards,
Most
up
times
is
it doesn't
forwards.
look like this.
Yeah. What is usually different? Is there a piece missing?
Yeah.
Oh, that top part. Okay.
Yeah, they just took the top off.
Windy sled is our.
And then for this one, since it has
the
the lovely thing on top, if you connect it, it goes to the Robomaster, and you can type in anything, and it'll display.
Oh, that's cool. Like,
Yeah.
delivering messages.
Alrighty, we'll see you guys.
Bye.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. What school are you at?
Clean high school.
Clean High School, okay.
Yeah, I'm here because of that cadet right there.
Okay.
But really, because he talked to her, she's trying to find somebody.
Yeah. How long have you been doing JROTC for?
This is
It's
my
working.
Second year?
It's working. It was.
I retired
I
09.
I
promise.
subbed in code for 6 months. I
Yes.
live in code.
Oh, yeah.
I'll just show you the
Where
other
are you
one.
going to get stay?
Up Old Tree, yeah.
So this one doesn't have a
Yeah.
remote, not that I know of.
Yeah.
Go out and freeze and it comes back down the backside.
Yeah.
When connected to the internet,
Yeah.
it won't let
I
me.
was here at
You just take me there. But
Bricks to Lynn, so they go.
that's where the
Okay, yeah, I saw
going
that.
inwards, it would take off.
Yeah.
And there's special programming in it where you just have to press a button and it'll do flips,
The flip over. Okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
He got it.
backwards, forwards,
yeah, that's-
They
sideways.
meet on Sunday. Do you tell how they meet?
No,
I know you're busy,
Basically.
Yeah.
It's good for
I think
training.
we'll get JV.
Oh, yeah, definitely. We
They
definitely.
meet on Sunday from like 1:30.
It was working.
Yeah.
Or they touched the drone.
I tried to kind of back off a little with
Yeah.
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 How long did it take you to get comfortable using that one? Or
It,
either of them?
so for the LiteBee,
Yeah.
it took maybe 10-ish
Yeah.
minutes.
Tip it.
Yeah,
Okay.
more
Yeah,
hands
because I was playing around with the
You got a lot of
buttons.
people working together.
So,
Me and Brent kind of work together.
yeah, it's pretty easy to use once you start.
He's more knowledgeable.
Yeah,
Once it
yeah.
connects,
Yeah, that's kind of where I'm at. I'm trying to get
when you press
get
this
her-
button, it'll
and,
take off
and it's,
on that
'cause,
screen.
The kids really enjoy it a lot more than.
Yeah.
She's my,
Yeah.
she's gonna be my executive officer next year.
Okay.
Yeah, most times.
We actually.
But it-
we used to live real close
it's
to
easy
Wayne High
to-
School. We used to live, Twin Creeks
Yeah.
Drive.
So when you use it,
It's runs
You just
parallel
mess
to,
around.
what's the road,
Since-
Clean High School on 38?
if you
Yeah.
run it into a wall, it's easy to put back together.
Twin Creeks,
Just be careful
west,
because
the road runs
the wings-
parallel west of 38th Street.
to an extent,
It's
will
Twin
chip
Creeks,
after a
yeah,
few
Twin
hits.
Creeks.
So
And
if you
then,
get extras,
well,
yeah.
what's the creek?
Make sure these are
runs
on
through there?
right.
Nolan Creek?
Yeah.
Took
Our
me
house
10
back
minutes
up in Nolan Creek.
to figure out which is which.
Yeah, I live in Cove now. I
Went
live on the north
backwards.
side of Cove,
And if they're not in right, they
I'm out
won't
there.
fly right or fly.
I think.
Have you ever had to put it together, like completely,
Yeah, I love
like
it.
it's completely apart and then you put it together?
Aside from the base, Florida.
Oh, yeah?
So
Were you retired?
the wing
Yeah, I
pieces,
was up there. I was talking about that.
so
I just got commissioned.
each of these, they were taken off.
Yeah.
So what do you do right now?
Disassembles.
I'm in third grade. Yeah. I've been teaching for
Pop them in place.
retired.
I'm certified in 7 through
Make
12.
sure you have that on right.
Yeah, that's originally what I wanted to do. Just
This
that,
one first.
I didn't get my degree until actually I got out. I was a mechanic in the Army for 21 years, and so I went.
So you don't pinch any wires.
I was going to be a history teacher and coach and all that stuff. And yeah, but after getting the upper level history.
That's why they give me this one. Because I was running stuff into places.
Yeah, I did.
We're now renamed.
They give it to
Yeah,
kids.
Society changed it.
and most of the people starting off.
Yeah, because
So while Alex was doing the big old drones, flying it everywhere.
He's working with the small ones.
Yeah, I was in the corner just crisscross, playing around.
And you said that, is this the one that has multiple where you can do a
I
formation?
feel pretty good handle on those.
So for the formation ones,
my professor, you know,
They
I did on
have
my
multiple
class,
ones.
you know, he meant,
Their battery,
you know,
their
to,
chargers.
uh,
I can grab
somewhere
it.
in the Middle East, he studied for 2 weeks there.
Today's not my day.
Here for pretty much, you know, 2.5 years. I have a pretty good understanding of it. I almost,
There it is.
Yeah.
so we just have to write a paper.
The singular chargers,
Comparing,
pop it in place.
Judaism
And that's all that needs to be charged.
And I said, well, you know, I'll just.
Plug it in.
And so I called.
I'll leave that
for it,
there
and
in case I
there
need
was
it again.
no,
Have you operated more than
no
once?
meetings.
One at a
They had
time?
a group that met.
Not yet.
Not yet.
I-
And the guy.
I'm not good at programming, so
Right.
I'm still trying to.
I
work around.
I called and, tried to set up an interview with him prior to that.
I tried one day,
Yeah,
like the whole
yeah.
class session,
Pretty difficult,
Yeah.
Programming is different.
because we had to figure out how to set this up to all
I
of
was on base when it
Computers.
happened. It was,
Did a wrong
my
turn.
older kids, my son's a firefighter now.
Got a big old router.
And he was there on base with me as the outage.
And then-
And
and that-
we got locked down.
Okay, cool.
And whenever it's programmed, once it sees a certain
In the
barcode,
building.
it'll
Yeah,
tell us
yeah.
different things.
Yeah,
For the
oh, yeah.
for the Tilo,
Yeah.
Are you on LinkedIn?
they have these.
Huh?
Are you on LinkedIn?
I do have, I have a LinkedIn, but I.
Landing pads, mappings. For when you do the coatings,
Right.
then you can fly it around the house, and when it sees a certain number or a certain pattern, wherever the direction is going, you can program your
Just,
Tilo
you.
to
Well,
process it in a different way.
I'm the one that wrote the grant.
So
One's not.
if it
And,
sees
wasn't
this
me,
one,
just
you could say
my
maybe
principal and one
3.
other lady, so there.
Like,
So we sat down
if
and
you see-
tried to
if it-
decide what we want to do.
drone sees it,
Really what we're gonna do is,
it could be programmed to
you
turn
know, a lot of times the
right
higher
or
kids
left.
get overlooked
Oh.
because
I think
they're
it's up
that's
before.
what
I don't know.
worry about.
It hasn't
So they
worked
kinda
for
get
me.
overlooked. So what we're gonna do is incentivize the kids who
Only
do
one
well,
is red,
get them
so
in the
that's
program
middle.
and stuff to do drones and stuff, so.
What was your name?
Natalie,
Natalie, thanks. I knew it was pretty
you're
cool.
welcome.